Imagine earning $6 million annually from a YouTube channel where you never show your face. Quite a thought, isn't it? This is the surprising reality for some YouTube creators who have chosen to remain faceless, yet rake in astounding earnings from their channels. Behind this intriguing phenomenon are several potential reasons. Anonymity, for instance, allows creators to avoid personal scrutiny while offering them the freedom to experiment with content. Flexibility is another advantage. Without the need to be on camera, creators can produce content from anywhere, at any time. Lastly, let's not forget the reduced production costs. No need for makeup artists, fancy wardrobes, or high-end filming equipment. The bottom line? Faceless YouTube channels can be highly lucrative. One such channel that has cracked the code to success is a movie-themed YouTube channel. A channel that has managed to turn anonymity into a goldmine. So, let's delve into their brilliant strategy. Our case study focuses on a movie-themed channel that has managed to rake in a whopping $6 million annually. Now, let's delve into the details of this successful venture. The channel, which remains faceless and anonymous, is a hub for movie enthusiasts and casual viewers alike. Its content revolves around a wide variety of movie genres, from action-packed thrillers to heartwarming rom-coms, from the golden classics to the latest blockbusters, a true movie buff's paradise, if you will. The channel has a commendable subscriber count, boasting several million dedicated followers who eagerly await each new upload. It's not just the subscriber numbers that impress, but also the average views per video. Each video garners millions of views, a testament to the channel's widespread appeal and the quality of its content. Now, what does the channel do exactly? It provides in-depth movie reviews, unpacks hidden themes, explores character arcs, and even predicts future plot lines. Each video is a deep dive into the cinematic world, providing a fresh perspective on films that viewers thought they knew inside out. The content format is a blend of narration and analysis, with a dash of humor to keep things lighthearted. There's no face to the voice, no identity to the narrator, but the content speaks volumes for itself. Frequency of posting is another key factor. The channel doesn't overwhelm its audience with daily uploads. Instead, it follows a consistent posting schedule, releasing 2 to 3 quality videos per week. This allows ample time for each video to gain traction while keeping the viewers engaged and looking forward to the next upload. So, what's the secret sauce? How does a faceless channel generate $6 million a year? The answer isn't as elusive as it may seem. The channel has found a sweet spot between quantity and quality, between entertainment and analysis, between being a faceless entity and creating a personal connection with its audience. But what exactly makes this channel so successful? The answer lies in its unique strategy. Quality, consistency, and engagement are the 3 pillars of this channel's success. So let's delve into what makes these elements so crucial. First up, quality. This channel has set a high bar for its content, focusing heavily on in-depth movie analysis. They don't just skim the surface, they dive deep, exploring the nuances of character development, plot twists, cinematography, and thematic elements. This isn't your average movie review. It's a comprehensive breakdown that illuminates aspects of the film that the average viewer might miss. This approach cultivates a sense of value in their content, setting them apart in the crowded YouTube ecosystem. Moving on to the second pillar, consistency. Consistency is not just about posting regularly. It's about meeting the audience's expectations every single time. This channel has a steady posting schedule, ensuring that their audience knows when to expect new content. This predictability builds trust and anticipation, and the channel never disappoints. They deliver high-quality content on a regular basis, creating a rhythm that their audience can rely on. This consistency fosters a sense of loyalty among their viewers, encouraging them to return time and again. Finally, engagement. This channel doesn't just broadcast, it interacts. It fosters a vibrant community through its comment section and community tab. The creators respond to comments, ask for feedback, and initiate discussions. They make their audience feel seen, heard, and valued. This level of interaction creates a sense of belonging among the viewers, transforming them from passive consumers into active participants. It's a two-way street, and this channel understands the importance of that dynamic. By harnessing these three elements, the channel has created a loyal and engaged audience, translating into substantial earnings. Quality, consistency, and engagement, these are not just buzzwords. They are the foundation of a successful YouTube channel. They are the building blocks that have allowed this movie-themed channel to earn a staggering $6 million. And they are the principles that can guide anyone looking to make their mark on YouTube. So, how can you implement this strategy in your own YouTube journey? Well, it all starts with finding your niche. Choosing a niche isn't just about picking a topic that you're passionate about. It's also about finding a gap in the market that you can fill. Seek out areas that are underserved, where your unique perspective and expertise can shine. Once you've found your niche, it's time to map out a consistent posting schedule. Consistency is key on YouTube. It's not just about posting frequently, it's about posting regularly. This could mean releasing a new video every Wednesday at 3 p.m., for example. But whatever your schedule, the most important thing is to stick to it. Your audience should know when to expect new content from you, and more importantly, they should be able to rely on you to deliver it. Now let's talk about audience engagement. This is where the magic really happens. It's not enough to just post videos and hope for the best. You need to actively engage with your viewers. Respond to their comments, ask for their opinions, and encourage them to share your videos. Make them feel like they're part of your journey, not just passive observers. This will not only help to foster a sense of community around your channel, but it will also increase the likelihood that your viewers will become loyal fans, who will return to your channel again and again. But remember, engagement isn't just about responding to comments. It's also about listening to your audience and using their feedback to improve your content. If a particular type of video is getting a lot of positive feedback, make more of those. If another type isn't performing as well, consider why that might be and what you can do differently next time. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and take risks. YouTube is a dynamic platform, and what works today might not work tomorrow. So stay on top of the latest trends, keep trying new things, and always be ready to adapt. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of consistent effort and strategic planning. So keep pushing, keep innovating, and keep engaging. Your $6 million YouTube dream may be closer than you think. Let's quickly recap what we've learned from our movie-themed YouTube channel case study. We've unmasked the startling reality that faceless YouTube channels can rake in substantial earnings. Our case study, a successful movie-themed channel, has proven that a brilliant strategy can lead to earnings upwards of $6 million. It's a revelation that challenges popular belief, showing us that you don't need to be a celebrity or an influencer to make it big on YouTube. We've also explored the vital components that contribute to the channel's success. Quality, consistency, and engagement stand as the three pillars that hold this strategy together. High-quality content attracts viewers, consistency retains them, and engagement builds a community around your channel. They are the elements that turn viewers into devoted subscribers. We've shared practical tips on how to implement this strategy. It starts with identifying a niche you're passionate about, followed by creating top-notch content consistently. Engage with your viewers, ask for their opinions, respond to their comments, appreciate their support. It's a long journey, but remember, every step counts. With the right strategy and consistent effort, you too can turn your faceless YouTube channel into a profitable venture. So go ahead, start your YouTube journey today.